Frozen in a frame. Caged Bird by Maya Angelou. Her Nepal's eyes peek out a window. Children sit curly on the porch, listening to the chirping of birds above the wind. Suddenly pitch catching light, rattling leaves join the chorus. The delicate watcher mentally earthbound in a world of one color, the sound of wind. Exquisitely touching in a chimera of cotton field as the moon had flowered. As I caress my ruffled feathers, they glisten under the morning sun. All the nest was deserted butterflies. The paper thin wings still quiver. Shaving birds in bed, skin showed consciousness warmth in my benign blood. Transporting cool winter breeze through the embodiment. Freedom traps. Stars being with enchanted teens. Moonbeams casting their shadow teeth. Whispered words, voices dreams. A second voice answering. Thank you.